Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and let's tap on this three dots icon. Now let's choose the history, and here we've got all previously opened and visited websites. In order to remove only one of it, then simply tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it simply disappears. But in order to remove all browsing data, click on Clear Browsing Data right here. And now we can choose, we can remove either browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and out-of-informed data. So let me pick, for example, also saved passwords and out-of-informed data. What's more, we can change the time range from last 4 weeks to, for example, past week. And if you're ready, click on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been cleared and all passwords and out-of-info data also. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.